Jeep Wrangler Rubicon revs up excitement with its diverse engine options tailored for adventure enthusiasts. Headlining the lineup is the mighty 6.4-liter V8 engine and the Rubicon 392, unleashing a staggering 470 horsepower. This powerhouse, coupled with an automatic transmission, ensures a thrilling drive whether you're conquering rugged trails or cruising highways. For those seeking variety, the Wrangler Rubicon also offers a 3.6-liter V6 and a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a balanced blend of performance and fuel efficiency. Whether you're an off-road aficionado or a daily driver, the Wrangler Rubicon's engine choices cater to all.